Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden here, crazy cat artist. This little kitty is getting brushed by the looks of it, but I'm not going to include the brush. I will include the fingers though. We'll turn it into a cheek scratch, neck scratch, whatever. Just really want to focus on this face looking happy in ecstasy because it feels so good. I'm going to line up all the features nicely and keep some rhythm in there, letting the lines flow together nicely. Happy cat. Tabby marks. They always help add contour and expression. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Help us build this wonderful community of crazy cat artists. Tell us what your cat's name is or whatever, what you want to learn about cat drawing. And you can join our Facebook group too. If you really are passionate about drawing cats, you'll find the link for that in the video description. And you can always give a like to or a subscription to the channel too. Let's get those fingers in there. Those scratchy fingers. Just a suggestion of them. Because Kitty's getting a nice chin, cheek, neck scratch, whatever you want to call it. I like it. Happy kitty face. And those whiskers are really going to finish it off here. You know, the way they kind of throw their whiskers forward when they're feeling so good like this. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.